Getting Washington products all the way from the US to Asia isn't an easy process, and making sure they arrive fresh and in great condition takes a ton of work. That's why Christy and I split up to chat with some Vietnamese importers about what makes Washington produce worth the effort. What's really cool is I come in here, I see all these products.
Yes.
So you guys deal with a lot of things, but standing right here beside us, I see a box from my home state, from Washington. So what do we got here?
Correctly, yeah. So this is product our company has imported. Our company Trung Minh Thành distributed in Vietnam, and totally our consumer love it. Vietnam is a tropical climate, so it's really difficult for us to grow the kind of berry like the blueberry or blackberry. It's really difficult.
Vietnam people think that and trust and believe that the product made in Washington is the best product, and this means that Vietnam people, they trust about the quality of the product.
Nice.
Yeah, so any product made in or bring from Washington, they will confident and exciting to buy it.
Me and my family are a big fan of blueberries. We had eaten this product a lot. It contains a lot of antioxidants. It's kind of a superfood.
While Tomas checks out the warehouse, I'm getting a very warm welcome from Tony Fruit. Here they import all sorts of fresh Washington produce, from apples to pears and even colorful potatoes. Tony Fruit's owner told us that it's well known that the Washington apple is the best, and they also love the many colorful varieties of Washington potatoes. A big part of keeping produce fresh is keeping it at the right temperature. That's why they took me around Tony Fruit's facility to see how they're making sure consumers are getting only the best produce.
Ooh, cold.
The product only stays in the warehouse a day or two before being repackaged and shipped out to sellers. Next, we went into their packing house, where fruit is repacked into smaller containers for the consumer, while here they once again check for quality. If they find any fruit that isn't great, they remove it to make sure consumers only get the best. They also separate different colors of potatoes into packages.
How do you say apple in Vietnamese?
Táo.
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 And potato?
Khoai tây.
Khoai tây. How do you say pear?
Pear.
Pear, lê.
Le.
Le. Le. Le. Le.
Yes.
Le.